Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make beef minestrone soup. First, brown 1 pound of ground beef in a large pot over medium heat. Add 1 diced onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic, cooking until fragrant. Make sure to drain any excess fat from the pot to keep the soup light and flavorful. This initial step builds a rich foundation for our delicious minestrone. Next, let's build our flavorful broth. Stir in 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, ensuring it mixes well with the beef and aromatics. Pour in 6 cups of quality beef broth and 1 cup of water. Season the mixture with 1 teaspoon each of dried basil and oregano, plus salt and black pepper to taste. Bring this to a gentle simmer, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Now it's time for the vegetables and pasta. Add 1 cup each of diced carrots and celery to the simmering broth. Let them cook for about 10 minutes until they start to soften. Then, stir in 1 15-ounce can of rinsed cannellini beans and 1 cup of small pasta, such as ditalini. Continue cooking until the pasta is al dente, about 8 to 10 minutes. Finally, for the finishing touches, stir in 2 cups of fresh spinach until it just wilts into the hot soup. Ladle the hearty beef minestrone into bowls and garnish generously with grated Parmesan cheese and a sprinkle of fresh parsley. This soup is perfect for a cozy meal. Check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade minestrone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.